DGCA bans recalled 15-inch Apple MacBook Pro on flights over fire risk. Directorate General of Civil Aviation has banned older generation 15-inch MacBook Pro laptops on flights after Apple's recall. Apple said the battery of affected laptops, sold primarily between September 2015 and February 2017, may overheat and pose a fire safety risk. These laptops can't be carried by travelers until the battery has been verified, certified as safe, or replaced by Apple. Still concerned. U.S. lawmaker after Swiss meetings on Facebook's Libra. Congresswoman Maxine Waters, the chair of the U.S. House Financial Services Committee, on Sunday said that she remained concerned about Facebook's plans for its digital currency Libra. She said this after meeting the government officials in Switzerland over Facebook's plans. "My concerns remain with allowing a large tech company to create a privately controlled alternative global currency," she said. Microsoft contractors hear chats mistakenly recorded via Xbox. Report third-party Microsoft contractors listen to Xbox users speaking in their homes in order to improve the console's voice command features. Motherboard reported. The contractors alleged that the chats, supposed to be captured following a voice command, were sometimes recorded mistakenly. A former unnamed contractor claimed that most of the voices they heard were of children. The report added, Samsung files patent for vertically folding smartphone. Samsung is working on a new smartphone which will fold vertically, according to a patent filed by the company with WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. As per the drawings in the filing, the foldable design comes with a central hinge area that can fold both ways. It would have a display that would fold outwards. Apple contractors listen to 1,000 Siri recordings per shift. A contract employee who worked with Apple claimed the company hired contract workers worldwide to listen to grade Siri recordings. The former employee added that Apple expected him to listen to over 1,000 recordings from Siri every shift. Apple said that it has suspended the program after The Guardian reported last month that contract workers also heard people's private conversations.